Hi all, this is Param. Okay, so as in the previous video, so we have seen some of the actions, which is some of the actions which is part of the those five phases, right? And what is purpose of those actions? Okay, so obviously we are encapsulate these action by phase, right? So in this thing, in this videos, we will see rollover and unfollow. Okay, then set priority. Okay, the first thing, set priority. So set priority is available for hot, warm and cold phase. Okay, so the set priority, what is the purpose of now? So we can specify the setting the priority to the index. Okay, let's say we can say 1 to any 1 to 0 to 100 or 0 to something like that. Okay, so we can specify the priority level. So obviously just want to I think 0 to 100 is enough. Okay, by default value is 1. So what is the use of this prayer now? Say whenever the restart happening of a node, say if the hot node is getting restart or warm node is getting restart or cold node getting restart, okay, while getting restart, the recover has to happen, right? So indexes has to be restored in the previous state, right? So that is where set priority is working, is helping. Okay, let's say I have 5 indexes in the cold phase. Okay, let's say all the indexes are so 2 indexes are having 50 as a priority, and 3 indexes one index is 1 and second indexes are 25, something like that. Okay, the different values in the priority values. So what will happen is the so whenever that higher priority values, not low priority. Okay, higher priority values indexes recovered first. So since it is cold phase has five indexes in that node. When node get restart, okay, so the topmost priority value index recovered first, then next priority, then next priority. So that is the usage of set priority. So that means set priority going to work only on a node restart. That's it. Okay, now the next thing is unfollow. See, we know that okay, so whenever the index moving from one state to another state, so obviously the follower index has to be created, right? Okay, so let's say a index is in a particular index, yeah, let's say a index is there. Not okay. Okay, now let's say something like that. Okay, I have one time series index. Okay, that has a1, a2, a3, kind of many copy, right? The rollover. Okay, so what will happen is now a0 is reached its size. Okay, so that rollover condition is met. So obviously now what happened? It has to be moved to the warm phase. So once A0 A0 is moved to the index, then A1 has to be created and the A1 has to receive all the write requests, right? Now we call A0 is a leader index and A1 is follower index. That's it. Okay. Now unfollow means what? Unfollow means what now? So we will say, hey, by default A1 index follow the A0 index for several reasons. I'll tell you what is the purpose. Okay. Now unfollow means what is now okay, all the task dependent on the A0 has completed, kind of resource replacement. Okay, nothing else. Okay, in any project. Okay, so once all the actions has to be whatever the actions should perform in the A0, that is leader index. Okay, once completed, then we will make A1 as a current index. So that time if we will inform to the A1 index, you don't do you do please unfollow. Okay, that means don't follow the A0 hereafter. Okay, that's what. So all the all the actions related to the A0 is given to you. So you hereafter there is no relations. Okay, I mean, there is no need to follow him A0. That means, let's say in our project, in any project we are getting new resource replacement, right? So obviously we will give some days for KT, let's say 1 week or 2 weeks KT times. Okay, so the new resource will follow the existing resource. Okay, so follow to get all the informations. Okay, after 2 weeks we will say, yeah, the old whoever resigned, that resource has moved out. Now the new resource has to place all the stuff. Okay, so hereafter you don't ask him any information from that fellow, the previous fellow or resigned fellow. Okay, similar things is what called unfollow. Okay. Okay, so what will happen? So what is happening in the unfollow? Okay, so this is this is the this is actual action of unfollows. Okay, what why we need in a let's say let's say what is now all the shard let's say I said na A0, so all the shard has to be has to be completed or refreshed, or all the shard has to be merged, something like that. That the kind of operation. Whatever the operations pending related with the A0 in my as my previous examples, okay, A0, it has to be completed. What are the actions? Okay, so, once it's completed, what will happen? The followed A1 index will close. Okay, will close. I mean, first it stop the indexing A1. Okay, A1 will stop the indexing first, then it will close the A1, then reopen. Okay, then A1 act as reopen the A1 index, then A1 becomes a current active current index. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, I think I can, it is best to walk through you in the actual document itself, so that it will be very easy. Okay, where is the unfollow? Unfollows. Okay, so as I said, yeah, of course, unfollow can be used in all the phase, hot, warm, cold, frozen. Okay, all the phases it will happen. Okay, of course, if it is CCR index, okay, I mean cross cluster replication, right? So if it is CCR index means what will happen? So it has to all the, so we are moving to the warm phase. Okay, so that means in the CCR case, what will happen? It will, the all the replications will be placed in different cluster. Okay, so obviously it has to be merged. Okay, it has to be merged, and the start has to be make it single one. So that's what they are saying. While converting CCR index, okay, into while converting CCR index into the regular index, what will happen? Shrink will happen, rollover will happen, search will not also will be performed. Okay, then obviously follow index will be follow indexes will be there. Okay, okay, so this action automatically, whenever the unfollow is whenever we unfollow, it automatically in roll over, shrink, search will snapshot is applied to the follower indexes when they are applied to the follower indexes. Okay, now yeah, okay, so unfollow, it has to be wait till what is na the follower index. Okay, I mean we cannot straight away say unfollow, because of, see, all the let's say again to the resource example. Okay, the existing the resigned resource has to give all the information, right? So straight away we cannot put deploy the new resource, right? So similarly, so the action has to be wait, unfollow has to be unfollow action has to be wait till the regular index has to do the following stuffs. Okay, what the regular index should have, the this property index complete should be true. Okay, so that means what? It's a rollover happened, okay, either manually or something like rollover has completed, or shrink, or search, snapshot, all the stuff, whatever the actions is performed by the current index. Okay, that's completed. So that it should say index dot lifecycle index complete should true. Okay, then similarly all operation performed by the leader index has to be replicated. Yes, okay, yeah, whatever the actions, okay, that is what, whatever the action performed by the existing resource, it has to be it has to be what followed by the, I mean all the KT. Okay, let's say the existing resource resigned, so obviously what is that, he has to give hand over all the actions, okay, to the new resource. So that's what. So first things, the resigned resource has to say, yeah, I have completed all the stuff. Okay, then second things, second things, what is now, he has to complete all of his KT, right? Similarly the leader index has to complete all of its task. Okay, and whatever the action the leader index whatever the performance, any searching or querying or indexing or number of shard, okay, anything, okay, it may be some other actions. Okay, so whatever the actions performed by the previous index, okay, the follower index has to get all the performance. Then that times we can say unfollow. Okay, guys, you got all the, so we can say the follower index, you got all the information from the leader index, so hereafter you don't do any follow up. Okay, that is what we call, that is where we will say unfollow. While unfollow, what will happening? Okay, once the condition is met, this is what the unfollow. Okay, unfollow perform the following operations. Okay, what is operation? So first pass the indexing, then close the follower index. Okay, I mean himself. Okay, okay, pass the indexing in the following index. Okay, I'm getting in the new document, right? Since this news guy move. Okay, so and so follow index is closing, then it unfollow the elder index. Okay, done by send of party. Okay, to that, then it opened that, and then follow index is opened. That means now it becomes a regular index. Okay, so this is what unfollow. Okay, so this is what unfollow. So okay, obviously what is now when unfollow, of course this actions trigger automatically, that's what I'm saying. Okay, unfollow actions automatically trigger, this is very important, because of, let's say I'm not defining unfollow actions. Okay, unfollow actions now I'm not defining in my ILM policy. Then what will happen when rollover shrink search happens? Okay, so these unfollow actions automatically ingested. Similarly, one more action I said, right? What is action? Force merge, yeah? No, not force merge. Migrate, yeah. Migrate actions, it automatically ingested. Okay, automatically ingested, right? When allocate actions performed. Okay. Similarly, unfollow action also automatically performed, automatically ingested. Okay, automatically ingested or performed whenever we do rollover or shrink or searchable actions. Okay, so this is what about the unfollow. Now rollover, that is very important. Okay, rollover can be happen. Okay, as I said, unfollow is available on all the 4 phases. Okay, frozen, cold, warm, hot. Okay, now let's move to the rollover actions. Rollover can be only in a hot index. There is no other options, no other index. Okay, okay. So rollover happen only in the hot index. Yes, indexes in hot phase. Okay, so what are the time, what are the it is rollover happen means it is happened based on the conditions, or one or more condition, or one condition, something like that. Okay, there are several conditions we can say. One is, if the total is the number of days, let's say max time or max days, something. Okay, what is the parameter? I think I have said okay, I'll show the demo next video. Okay, because I am in another machine. Okay, so what is it now? Yeah, if it is reach the number of days, let's say we can say one day, any new index, it has to be 1 day. For every once it complete 1 day, it has to be rollover. So I can say number of days, or I can say number of total all primary shard size. Let's say if the index reaches 50 GB of all primary shard, okay, of sum of all primary shards, okay, then I can do rollovers. Okay, what is it? Size based, then count based, of course. Okay, the particular index has 1000, it has 1000 document or 10,000 document. Once it reaches 10,000 documents, I can say please roll over. Okay, so roll over to next hot or warm, whatever the phase available. I mean, what are the phase defined in your ILM policy. Okay, it no need to be only the warm, it can be a cold, or it can be frozen. Okay, so it's what are the phases you defined in your policy accordingly. Okay, so day, number of days, or number of size, or number of count. Okay, then one more condition, what is now, let's say we any index may have one or more primary in a primary shard, right? Now we accordingly also we can say, if any one of the primary shard, reach particular size, okay, then that time also we can do the rollover. So obviously what is so these are the different parameters. So once rollover happen, the indexes move from hard to how to next phase, whatever the phase available in your ILM policy. Mostly warm, but if you want if you want to have data for some more days or a year, then you can move to cold. Or else if you don't want, let's say some monitoring, we don't need to keep the extra data, or 1 week data, then after 1 week I can simply delete. At least I will have space, right? Why I want to have. Okay, so I can do delete automatically, so space at least will be saved. I don't see, for every week I am getting report, so I don't need any I don't need any report more than a week. Then if it is a business, if that kind of business requirement, we can keep it in hard node for a week. Okay, after that we can delete straight away itself. Okay, these are about the rollover action. So in this video I have explained what is set priority, what is the purpose of set priority action, what is the purpose of unfollow actions, and what is the purpose of rollover actions, and what are the facilities it will be available, so you can leverage. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Okay. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave your comment and share with your friends.